Hi, I'm Kirk McKenzie, retired fire captain from Cosumnes Fire, and really happy to be here on behalf of the community and the industry as a whole to talk about advanced air mobility. Tools like vertical takeoff and landing aircraft can take fire personnel, EMS personnel, rescue personnel, places that maybe we didn't think we could go without a heavy lift helicopter. The concept of advanced air mobility is now well beyond a concept. It's an established industry, is touching emergency response and first responders. We hope you'll enjoy what you see in print regarding the future of what about intelligent aerospace systems? What about the opportunity to have uncrewed aircraft that go by themselves and land adjacent to a victim that can be packaged and then transported to a hospital with no one at the joystick? Something that we never could have imagined just a few years ago, and today is more than a reality. And well, we got to see in flight today a number of different times, crews from around Sacramento County, Cosumnes Fire Department, CAL FIRE retired personnel, air operations personnel, doctors in charge of EMS programs. They all came out to see the aircraft in flight. And so big thanks to Pivotal for providing the demonstration here on behalf of the industry, and a big thanks to Cosumnes Fire for allowing them the use of the drill grounds and an opportunity to build on what we've been talking about. Thanks for being here, and let us know what you think of the article.